Josephine Wood is an English model, television personality, and entrepreneur. She is the former wife of the Rolling Stones guitarist Ronnie Wood. She accompanied him regularly on tour, looking after his wardrobe and diet. Wood has traveled the world and has lived in Los Angeles, New York, and is now settled in London. When living in New York, Wood designed clothes for the fashion label No Scruples. Wood published her autobiography, Hey Joe, in February 2013. Born Josephine Karslake, Wood was born on 15 March 1955 in Essex to Rachel, who is South African by birth, and Michael Karslake. Her father was an architectural model maker, and her mother was an Avon lady and a doll maker. She is the oldest of 4 children. She has a sister, Liz, and 2 brothers, Vinny and Paul. Wood worked as a model until she was 22 and was the Sun's face of 1972. In 1973, Wood eloped with Peter Green in Las Vegas. They had a son, Jamie, in September 1974. They divorced in 1976. She met Ronnie Wood in 1977. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.